Hello students, welcome to our e-learning class. I am Roshan Kumar of your mathematics teacher, Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions related to trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So students, my first question is, if A and B are acute angles, such that sin A is equal to cos B, prove that कि A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so let's start for students solution. Given कि sin A is equal to cos B, is equal to cos B. Okay, तो we write कि sin A and cos B, तो cos B sin 90 degree minus B is equal to cos B, sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Then we write कि sin 90 degree minus B is equal to cos B, तो cos B को हम sin 90 degree minus B लिख सकते हैं. Sin is cancel, then A is equal to 90 degree minus B. So student, A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay. My dear students, our next question is, if A, B and C are the angles of a triangle ABC. A, B and C are the angles of triangle ABC. Okay. A, B और C जो है वो एंगल है ट्रायंगल ABC का. Then prove that कि sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So let's start for students. So A, B, C are the angles of a triangle ABC. So we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle, is 180 degree. Okay. So we write कि A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So here student, यहाँ B प्लस C जो है वो लेफ्ट साइड में है और A जो है किधर है, राइट साइड में. तो हम B प्लस C को इधर ही रखेंगे लेफ्ट साइड में और A को भेजेंगे कहाँ, राइट साइड में. तो दिस इम्प्लाई B प्लस C इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस डिवाइडिंग बाई 2 ऑन बोथ साइड. ओके, सो B dividing by 2 on both sides. So this imply B plus C by 2, and here separate करने पर 180 by 2 minus A by 2, that is 90 degree. And take sin on both sides. Here sin B plus C by 2 is equal to sin 90 degree minus A by 2. So student, sin B plus C by 2 is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta, that is cos theta. Okay. Students, our next question is evaluate cot 90 degree minus theta into sin 90 degree minus theta by sin theta plus cot 40 degree by tan 50 degree minus cos square 20 degree plus cos square 70 degree. Okay students, so here let's start solution. We write कि cot 90 degree minus theta, that is tan theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. So here we write कि tan theta into sin 90 degree minus theta, that is cos theta, by sin theta. Okay, plus 40 degree and 50 degree, both are the complement to each other. It means the sum of their measures is 90 degree, so the angles are complementary. For cot 40 degree, we write cot theta. So we write कि tan 90 degree minus theta. Okay, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta by tan 50. Okay, minus 20 degree and 70 degree. Both are the complement to each other. Okay. So 70 degree and 20 degree are the complementary angle. So cos of square 20 degree, cos of square 20 degree plus cos theta, cos 70 degree. That is sine of square 90 degree minus 70 degree. Okay. Students, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta into cos theta और बाई क्या साइन थीटा. साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा और बाई कॉस थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा. ओके. साइन बाई कॉस इक्वल टू tan एंड कॉस बाई साइन. ओके. प्लस tan 90 डिग्री माइनस 40 दैट इज tan 50 डिग्री बाई tan 50 डिग्री minus cos of square 20 degree plus sine 90 degree minus 70, that is sine of square 20 degree. Okay. For students, cos cancel, sine cancel, that is 1 plus 1 minus cos of square theta plus sine of square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So if you apply 1 and 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Students, our next question is evaluate cosec 39 degree into cos 51 degree plus tan 21 degree into cot 69 degree minus sec of square 21 degree. For students, 39 and 51 both are complement to each other. Okay. And 21 and 59 both are complement to each other. So cosec 39 degree, let's first start solution. Cosec theta, that is sec 90 degree minus sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Okay. And here cos 51 degree. Okay. Plus tan 21 degree. So tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta, that is cot 90 degree minus 21. Okay, cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta is cot 59 degree minus sec of square 21 degree. Okay. So here students, sec 90 degree minus 39 degree, that is sec 51 degree into cos 51 degree. Okay. And plus cot 90 minus 21, that is 69 degree into cot 69 degree. Okay. Minus sec of square 21 degree. We write sec cosec 90 degree minus 21 degree. Cosec of square 90 degree minus cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta. Sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Okay. So student, sec 51 we write ki 1 by cos 51 because ki sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta and cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta into cos 51 degree plus cot 69 into cot 69, that is cot of square 69 degree or minus cosec of square 90 minus 21, that is 59 degree. Okay. So here cos 51 is cancelled. 1 plus here student minus is common. So minus common, so that is cosec of square 59 degree or minus cot of square 59 डिग्री। जब हम दोनों टर्म से माइनस को कॉमन लेंगे, ठीक है ना, तो ये प्लस जो है माइनस में चेंज हो जाएगा, ये माइनस क्या होगा प्लस में, तो ये हो जाएगा कॉसेक स्क्वायर 59 डिग्री और माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर, बिकॉज की कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू 1। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स 1 माइनस दिस इज 1 इज इक्वल टू 0। ओके, here students our next question is prove that cosec square 90 degree minus theta minus tan square theta divided by 2 into cos square 37 degree plus cos square 53 degree minus 2 into tan square 30 degree into sec square 37 degree into sin square 53 degree divided by cosec square 53 degree minus tan square 27 degree इज इक्वल टू -1/6 प्रूव करना है, ठीक है ना। तो फ्रॉम LHS कॉसेक स्क्वायर 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा, स्टूडेंट कॉसेक 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू सेक थीटा। तो सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस tan स्क्वायर थीटा, ओके, डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर 37 डिग्री, cos स्क्वायर 37 डिग्री प्लस cos स्क्वायर 53 डिग्री, इट मीन्स cos थीटा। तो cos थीटा दैट इज sin स्क्वायर 90 डिग्री माइनस 53 डिग्री, sin 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू cos थीटा। ओके, सो माइनस 2 tan स्क्वायर 30 डिग्री इंटू sec 37 डिग्री, ओके, sec square 37 degree because it 37 and 53 both are the complement to each other. Okay, so sec 37 degree into sin theta that is cos square 90 degree minus theta. Okay, cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta divided by cosec square theta, cosec theta that is sec square 90 degree minus 53 degree minus tan square 27 degree because the cos theta that is sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta, sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta. So cosec theta that is sec 90 degree minus theta. So students here sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, okay, and 2 cos square 37 degree plus sin 90 degree minus 53 that is sin square 37 degree, okay, 90 minus 53 that is 37 minus 2 tan square 30 degree into sec square 37 degree by 1 by cos square 37 degree, we write cos square 31 by cos square 37 degree into cos square 90 minus 53 that is cos square 37 degree, okay, divided by sec square 90 minus that is sec square 27 degree minus tan square 27 degree, okay. So here student cos square 37 degree cos square 37 degree is cancelled 1 by 2 because की cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, so only 1 by 2 minus 2 tan square 30 degree, okay, by sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, okay. So here students 1 by 2 minus 2 multiply 1 by root 3 का whole square because the value of tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, okay. So students this imply 1 by 2 minus and 2 multiply 1 by root 3 का whole square that is 1 by 3, okay. So that 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3, LCM is 6, 2 3 is 6, 3 and minus 3 2 is 6 that is 4, 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 by 6 equal to RHS, okay. Students, our next question is if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, then prove that root under tan A into tan B प्लस tan a इंटू कॉट बी डिवाइडेड बाई साइन a इंटू सेक बी माइनस साइन स्क्वायर बी बाई कॉस स्क्वायर a इज इक्वल टू tan a। प्रूफ करना है तो फ्रॉम द LHS स्टूडेंट्स रूट अंडर tan a and tan b, तो we write tan b is equal to tan, we write tan b is equal to tan theta, that is cot 90 degree minus b। ओके, तो cot 90 डिग्री माइनस b इज इक्वल टू tan b। स्टूडेंट्स tan a and we write कि tan b is equal to 90 डिग्री माइनस a बिकॉज कि a प्लस b is equal to 90 डिग्री and b is equal to 90 डिग्री माइनस a। ओके, तो we put the value of b is equal to 90 डिग्री माइनस a। ओके, प्लस tan a into cot b, put the value of 90 degree minus a, तो 90 degree minus a। okay, and divided by sin a into b, तो sec 90 degree minus a, put the value of b is equal to 90 degree minus a, and minus sin square b, that is 90 degree minus a, okay, by cos square a, root under tan a into tan 90 degree minus a, that is tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta plus tan a into cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta divided by sin a into sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta, that is cosec a, and minus sin 90 degree minus theta, that is cos square a by cos square a। okay, so root under tan a into cot a is equal to 1 plus tan square a by sin a into cosec a is equal to 1, okay, minus cos square a is cancelled, that is 1। okay, so students root under 1 plus tan square a minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled, that is root under tan square a is equal to tan a is equal to RHS। okay,